Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the section of Constitution of India, today we are going to start in detail study of right to equality under Article 14. Okay, so our major discussion point over here is right to equality, which is one of the fundamental rights under Article 14. So we will be seeing all the articles related to this fundamental right and study in detail about all the articles and what they have to say. So as an introductory part, let me just give you a short introduction to it. So the right of equality is embodied in the series of articles from Article 14 to 18 article of the Constitution of India. Article 14 contains the principle of rule of law, and Article 15, 16, 17 and 18 contain the application of this principle. The preamble of the Constitution of India provides for equality of status and opportunity. So this you can actually just remember that in preamble it provides it mentions by providing equality of status and opportunity. Equality forms part of basic structures of Constitution of India. Now let's discuss in detail what Article 14 is. So Article 14 basically is equality before the law. Article 14 of the Constitution guarantees that all people shall be equally protected by law of this country. It means that the state will treat people in the same circumstances alike. This article also means that individuals, whether citizens of India or otherwise, shall be treated differently if the circumstances are different. There are two expressions to this article. So there are two expressions. First is equality before law, and second is equal protection of laws. So the expression equality before law has its origin in the English common law. It means that amongst equals law shall be equal and shall be equally administered. The expression equal protection of laws has its source in the US Constitution. So this is taken from US Constitution, adopted from US Constitution. Equality before the law is a negative concept and equal protection of the law is a positive concept. The doctrine of equality before the law is equally operative against the legislature itself. If the legislature dares to enact an enactment inconsistent with any provisions of fundamental rights, the court are competent enough to pronounce it unconstitutional. Equal protection of the laws means the right to equal treatment in similar circumstances, both in privileges conferred and liabilities imposed. Both the rules of procedure, that is A and D, the substantive law, come under the purview of Article 14. Equal protection requires affirmative actions by state towards unequal by providing them facilities and opportunities. Article 14 applies to any person, including any company, association, citizen, non-citizens, natural persons as well as legal persons. The rule does not prevent certain classes of persons from being subject to special rules. For example, Article 361 is exception to the rule of law. It provides that the president of governors or the Raj Pramukhs shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of powers and duties of the office. This is because of the reason that Article 14 does not imply the same laws should apply to all persons or that every law must have universal applications, because all persons are not by nature, attainment or circumstances in the same position. The article prohibits class legislations which makes improper discrimination by conferring particular privileges upon a class of persons arbitrarily selected, but if permits reasonable classification for the purpose of achieving specific ends. For classification to be reasonable, two conditions must be fulfilled. First is, the classification must be based on the intelligible differentia which distinguishes persons or things that are grouped together from others left out of the group. The differentia must have a rational relation with the objects sought to be achieved by the act. It means that there must be some nexus between the differentia and the object so that the classification does not appear arbitrary or discriminatory. What Article 14 strikes at is arbitrariness, because any action that is arbitrary must necessarily involve negotiation of equality. The doctrine of classification, which is evolved by the courts, is not a paraphrase of Article 14, nor is it the objective or the end of that article. It is merely a judicial formula for determining whether the legislative or executive action is arbitrary and therefore the constitutional denial of equality. In fact, the concept of reasonableness and non-arbitrariness pervades the entire constitutional scheme and is a golden thread that runs through the whole of the fabric of constitution. In Menka Gandhi's case, the court had option that Article 14 was not to be equated with the principle of classification. It was primarily a guarantee against arbitrariness in the state action, and the doctrine of classification was involved only as a subsidiary rule for testing or determining whether particular state action was arbitrary or not. So this was all about Article 14. In the next video we will be seeing about the Article 15 of right to equality. So just stay tuned for